There are several types of die casting machines in use today. Most of these machines are hydraulically actuated and operate horizontally, but vertically operating machines are also utilized. The principal difference between vertical and horizontal die casting machines is, as the terms imply, the direction of metal injection into the die. All die casting machines include a metal injection system to get the metal in the die, and a clamping system to keep the die halves closed during injection. The two principal types of die casting machines are the hot chamber and cold chamber type. The hot chamber machine is used mainly for die casting zinc and other metals of low melting temperature. However, it is also used to die cast magnesium. The machine's shot or charge end has a holding pot, which is a reservoir for the molten metal seated in a furnace, and an injection system for transferring the metal through a gooseneck-shaped pipe to the die. The plunger end of the injection system and the lower portion of the transfer pipe are submerged in the molten metal. For this reason, aluminum and copper alloys are unsuitable for use, since they chemically attack or erode the submerged injection system. When the plunger rises, a charge of metal enters the pipe through a port. When the plunger descends, it closes the port and drives the charge through a nozzle at the end of the pipe and into the die. Injection pressures may range from 1,500 to more than 4,500 pounds per square inch, or 10 to 31 megapascals. The cold chamber machine is used primarily to die cast the aluminum, magnesium, and copper alloys. In the cold chamber machine, the charge is supplied by ladle or feed system from an external furnace source to a holding pot at the shot end of the machine. The feed system components are not submerged in the molten metal. The charge is poured ahead of the plunger tip through a pore hole in the shot sleeve. As the plunger advances, it closes the pore hole and drives the molten metal into the die. Injection pressures may range to 10,000 pounds per square inch or 69 megapascals for aluminum and magnesium, although some machines can provide still greater pressures. After the metal in the die solidifies and the die halves are separating, the plunger thrusts forward, extending the plunger tip past the cover die. This pushes the biscuit that solidifies at the end of the shot sleeve, assisting casting release.